puts on the rudder pedals, as well as very, very good hand on the throttle. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Knife edge is in making. The goal over here is to make sure that the nose is not going up or down. A few kilometers too fast, the nose goes up. A few kilometers too slow, the nose goes down. Our second group is preparing for landing. There's some 12-13 kilometers from the runway, south of the runway they are. Now goes slow roll. Now look at this. This is very difficult to do because what you have to do while slow rolling the airplane is you're producing an input on both stick as well as the rudder at the same time. And you're trying to make sure that your airplane is not either losing or gaining altitude. Very difficult to do a slow roll. Takes a lot of practice to do it indeed. The next element, we'll see a classic inverted flight. Of course, inverted flight, flying this low, you better make sure you're pulling the stick in the right direction, huh? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, inverted flight. Our second. Oh, look at this now. This maneuver ends in a champagne. And almost a flat spin. It demonstrates exceptional ability of the and controllability of the flanker at high angles of attack.
Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Alright, second group is just about to land. Standard landing procedure over here we're talking about. Vertical speed is about 5 meters per second. Their airspeed is 310 to 330 kilometers per hour. Touchdown speed will be 280 kilometers per hour. And we'll continue enjoying our solo part from our Superstars lead, Dolphin. Now goes the inverted belt. This is again very interesting maneuver, which will end up with airplane dropping backwards. Here we go. The airspeed actually dropped to 0 at one time. As you can see, the airplane is flying backwards, tail first. Extremely high angles of attacks over here. But in the hands of good pilots, flanker can handle this high angle of attacks with ease. Okay, our first element of 3 ships has landed, and they are separating a little bit, forming a column. Dolphin is now performing a high G horizontal spiral. The G-forces pulled over here were about almost 6 in the very beginning. And because of the high G-forces, as you can see, the circles are smaller and smaller. And looking from the top, this would look like a spiral. The The next maneuver will be also a high G maneuver, and it will be a vertical spiral, which will end up with releasing some flares. And here it is happening. The airspeed dropped to little over 100 kilometers per hour. Next, we'll see a slow barrel roll. And ladies and gentlemen, just take a look on how precise that barrel roll is performed. Look at that. A real school example on how to perform a typical World War II maneuver barrel roll. Look at that. This maneuver will end up with flanker signature maneuver and here we go, Cobra! Yes, we're talking 120 degrees of angle of attack. The tail was flying first at one moment. This was a true flanker's signature maneuver. Just imagine being in that airplane performing Cobra, huh? Now Delfin's going to do a little under the bridge roll. Here we go. And landing roll. Where he will pilot his airplane to join the group and end our show with the proper shutdown sequence with the rest of the group. I'll take my time and once again mention the names of these fine pilots. Position number 1, Novak Djordjevic, call sign Dolphin. Position number 2, Militar Radomir, call sign Grom. Position number 3, Dejan Svetulski, call sign Tune. And position number 4, Slobodan Maricic, call sign Maverick. Dolphin is getting closer to the group. This is also part of the show, ladies and gentlemen. The shutdown is highly scripted. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for taking your time watching our superstars. I wish you a pleasant morning, day, or evening, wherever you are on the planet of Earth. I certainly am looking forward to participating again in VFET 2009 and seeing you all again next year. Superstars are going to a final shutdown sequence here. Just waiting for the canopies to open. Here we go. Alright, the Superstars program is now over. Thank you very much once again, and goodbye.
Is raging.